Hi, this is Steve Hoffacker. Thanks for joining me. I'm a certified agent in place specialist and a master instructor. So we're meeting with a client who has contacted us about doing some renovations in their home. Whether we're the contractor or we're a consultant or a designer, whatever our specialty happens to be, we're meeting with the client to determine what they would like to have done, and then we can involve other people to help make that happen. So we're sitting down with them and we're asking them questions about what they would like to have done. Maybe they're not specific, so we want to find out, what is it that you like about your home? What serves you well? What is it that's not working so well for you? What kind of budget do you have? What would you like for us to do? What's your time frame? When would you like to have the work done? A week, 2 weeks, a month, by the end of the year? When would you like to have this work done? What would you like it to look like? Are there some other things that aren't working for you that you would like for us to incorporate as well? Just getting a general picture of what they would like to have done, and then we can go from there. So it doesn't involve a checklist necessarily, but just an interview with them to find out what's working, what isn't working, what they'd like to have, what they are willing to spend, the disruption in their life and their schedule that they're willing to undertake to have the work done. All these are important aspects of deciding how to help someone improve their home so they can age in place better where they are. This is Steve Hoffacker. Thanks for joining me. Until next time.